In this video, I will show you how I created these amazing slides using PowerPoint. First, select a blank slide and insert image. Now duplicate this slide and select image, go to Picture Format, and select Remove Background. Now, zoom in to the image, carefully edit the edges, and remove the background. After everything is done, go to the first slide, zoom out, place the image at one corner, adjust it for the whole slide. Go to Picture Format. In Artistic Effects, select one effect and apply. Now, go to the second slide and copy the image, paste it in first slide. Adjust the image for the whole slide in front of the another image. Delete second slide, duplicate. First slide. Add a text box. Select font and size. Type text. Go to Shape Format and align it to center and top. Right-click and go to Format Shape. Go to Shadows, select, and adjust the effects. Now send the text to backward select text. Copy and paste it in the other slide. And send it to backward. And send it to upward. Now duplicate the second slide. And select all. Move everything little bit up. Now select text. Decrease font size. Adjust shape. Place text box at the bottom, somewhere like this. Paste any other text like this, what I choose. Now add a new slide and insert image and go to Picture Format and select Remove Background. Now zoom in to the image. Carefully edit the edges and remove the background. After everything is done, place image at one corner. Right-click and go to Format. Picture, select Shadow and adjust effects. As you can see the effect. Now go to previous slide and copy text and paste in this slide. Select below text and move it out. Side slide. Select Iron Man text. Move it to up. Right-click and go to Format Shape. Then text options, select gradient fill, and add colors of your choice. Now add a text box. The topic which you choose here, I choose to present you some Iron Man armors. Insert some armor images like this. Right-click and add the same effect of shadows to all of them. Adjust the size and distance between them. And I like to insert a line below the three images. I think it will look more attractive, as you can see. Align all images above the line. Now duplicate this slide. Remove unwanted text. Place all these text above the slide and adjust them for better animation effects. Select two images, decrease shape size, Align then together or near like this. Select first image and increase size. Paste any text of your wish. Now duplicate this slide. Delete all text. Decrease first image size. Now select second image and increase size. Paste another text again. Duplicate the slide again and repeat same process as we have done in previous slide. Now check all the slides and adjust them once. Now select all slides and apply Morph Transition. And here we go for this amazing Iron Man theme PowerPoint presentation.